Hey, welcome to Tim's Workshop. Today we're out here in the shop, in the garage, because it is Smoky Joe outside. It is nasty. So, in doing some videos in my little workshop here that's a mess right now. I need to get it cleaned up, but I figured I'll run a couple short videos on different things I've been thinking about doing for a while, and I figured today is a good day to do it. What I have here is some Pittsburgh torque wrenches from Harbor Freight, right? And this one here is a foot-pound 3/8 drive torque wrench. It goes from 5 to 80 foot-pounds. And this one here is a quarter drive inch-pound torque wrench, and it goes from 20 to 200 inch-pounds. Okay, and what I got is this bracket that I set up here, and what we're going to do is test the torque on this. Okay, so I got this set at 120 inch-pounds, okay, which will equal 10 foot-pounds on this old Sears Craftsman tension bar torque wrench. And these things are super accurate, okay? So, and I used to use this back in the 70s when I was rebuilding engines back then. So we're going to double check. This is a good tool to check torque wrenches. And if you're going to recertify these torque wrenches on your own rather than taking it somewhere, you can do that by checking it with this, okay? So first off, these things are new, so I know they're still good, and you have to use these a lot before they go out of cert anyway. Just sitting around is not going to go out of cert. But if you drop it on the ground, you need to, double check it. So this is a way of checking it. So let's go ahead and get this torqued up to 120 inch-pounds, and this is a clicker wrench, but it's more of a feel on these quarter wrenches. Let's make sure you're in the view here. And there we go. Okay. So when you torque with these small torque wrenches, the inch-pound 20 to 200, you got to watch right in here, because this is where it's going to pivot right here when it's at torque, right there. And when you torque, always don't hold it like this. Hold it down here where the stripe is, where the handle is. Hold it there when you torque it, okay? So here we go. Let's get this torqued at 120 inch-pounds. All right. See that? That's 120 inch-pounds. Right like that. Okay, now let's double check it with this wrench. And I don't know. Okay, this wrench is pretty long. I gotta get the chair out of my way here. And what we're going to look at is down here. This is in 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and up to 150 foot-pounds. So we're going to go to the next line there in the middle is 10 foot-pounds. And there we go. 10 foot-pounds. So this is accurate. So this 10 foot-pounds came out exactly right. Okay, so now we're going to take this up to 30 foot-pounds with the 3/8 drive and double check it with the Craftsman wrench also. So here we go. turn this around again. Okay, here we go. Clicker wrench. That's a 6-point. If it was 12-point, it would work good. Same thing. You can see it move here, but you'll hear this one click. There it goes. That's 30 foot-pounds. All right. Now let's double check it with this. Okay. It'll be 0, 10, 20, 30. Okay. So 30 foot-pounds. There it is. 30 foot-pounds. Okay. So that worked good. Turn this back around. So there we go. The Pittsburgh Harbor Freight torque wrenches are very accurate. And using the old Sears 1970 that I used to rebuild engines with when I was younger, still works great. Okay, so and it's not a clicker. This is a tension rod, and as you torque, this tension rod will move along your measurements here to tell you how much you're torquing it to, and this is in foot-pounds. And 120 inch-pounds on this, on the small torque wrench, you can convert it inch-pounds to foot-pounds on the internet. And 120 inch-pounds equals 10 foot-pounds, just so you know. So you can check all this, and then if you drop one of these on the floor or you use it a lot, especially if you drop it on the floor, you need to recheck this. And there's a video on the internet that shows you how to do that. I'll probably do one myself when I get around to doing it. It shows you how to take it apart and adjust the tension on it. And then you can check it with this. Okay? So you can get yourself one of these. I think they still have them, actually. I don't know. Sears, I think, is kind of going out of business, but there's other brands that make these type of torque wrenches. So check it out. This has a number on it, made in the USA, 44642, and WF8001. So Sears Craftsman. And like I say, you could probably get a knockoff, but hopefully it's accurate. This one's very accurate. Okay. Make sure you set these back to the lowest setting. So like on the 5 to 80 foot-pound torque wrench, lower it back down when not in use, back down to 5 foot-pounds, okay? And then on the inch-pound, lower it back down to 20 inch-pounds, which is the lowest setting for this torque wrench. Like that. And that way, that's how you storm when not in use. Okay? And then, also, I wanted to explain on this is this Craftsman. It's a 1/2 inch drive. So in order to use my millimeter 3/8 socket, I use an adapter from 1/2 inch down to 3/8. Okay, so you know. And then my ratchet wrench that I originally put this on was 3/8 drive as well. All right, that is it. So you enjoy the video, please subscribe, leave comments, and hit the notification bell. And if you like, give me a like. Thanks.